In this tutorial, we're going to be covering line types. To start off, open up the line types PDF file. Now, what we're going to go over in this tutorial are 5 basic line types that you're going to see while we make drawings, and you're going to see in our drawings. These are the 5 most common types that you're going to see. So to start off, the 5 types that we're going to go over are center lines, short break line, long break line, visible line, and hidden lines. Now, a center line, what it depicts is the center of a cylinder. So there's 2 cases that we're going to see this in our drawings. If we have a cylinder going lengthwise, such as this, you're going to see a center line, such as this one, going in between the middle of it. So it's going to show the center line of it. Another case where you're going to see center lines is if we're looking at a circle dead on, we're going to have a center line going from the top, and we're going to have a center line going across from left to right. So with center lines, what we're able to determine is the center of the radius. So it's showing the center radius of the circle that we're looking at. So if we see one line, it's just showing the lengthwise where the center line is, and if we're looking at it dead on, it's going to give us the exact point where the 2 center lines come in contact with each other. Now, short break and long break lines are used for section views. So with a short break line, if we're trying to show the inside of a part, it's going to have pretty much what a short break line is just like a squiggle, and it's going to show the inside of it. So a short break line is used to show the inside, so it's going to just be like a little cutout, and then you're able to see inside. Now, a long break line, if you have a part that is, say, 10 meters long, and there's only the ends that are, say it's a long beam, and the 2 ends are where all the dimensioning is, and it's 9 meters in the middle is just length, you're able to throw a long break line in there, so you don't have to see the whole length of it. So, like I said, say you have, say, a 10 meter long beam, and 9 meters in the middle is common, and it's just straight, you're able to, rather than show 10 meters long of a beam, you're able to show 0.5 on each side, and say use 0.5 in the middle, and you'll use it as the 9 meters if you use a long break line associated with it. So this allows you to shorten the length of a line that's going to be redundant anyways. Now, visible lines are the lines that we see. So when we're making our drawings, all they are is a solid black line. So if we're looking at the view of whatever it is, a solid black line is what we should be able to see, and that's what a visible line is. Now, with hidden lines, if we have, say, an isometric view of our object, hidden lines are dashed lines to show if we are able to look through the object. If it was a glass object, we can see these lines. So say we're looking at a box. If you're drawing a box, you're able to see inside of the box, and you know where these dashed lines would be. So any line that's dashed line represents a hidden line. So it's a line that from our current view we're not able to see, but if we could see through the object, we'd be able to see those lines. So these are 5 common types of lines